PSEI 30 Complete is your go-to for regular updates on all Philippine Stock Exchange index companies. Subscribe so you never miss out. Let's jump in. Ayala Corporation, ticker AC, just delivered their strongest year ever with record core net income of 45 billion pesos. That's a massive 10% jump. We are talking about the Philippines' oldest conglomerate, 190 years in business, trading at just 9.24 times earnings, while analysts are calling for 30 to 43% upside. Here's why AC might be the most undervalued, diversified play in Southeast Asia right now. First, their banking crown jewel BPI is absolutely crushing it. They own 44% of BPI, which just posted 62 billion pesos in net income. That's 20% growth year over year. Loan growth hit 18%, their net interest margin expanded 22 basis points to 4.58%, and they're delivering a 15.4% return on equity. That's among the highest in Philippine banking, and this is their cash cow that keeps printing money. Second, they're positioned perfectly for the energy transition. ACEN posted 9.4 billion pesos net income, up 27%. And they're targeting massive growth, going from 7 gigawatts today to 20 gigawatts by 2030. That's 185% capacity growth with a $530 million equity raise, backing 15 to 20% annual expansion. Third, their GCash Fintech stake is a goldmine. They own 13% of Mint, which just hit a $5 billion valuation, up from $2 billion in 2021. That's a 150% increase in just 3 years, with an IPO coming and 6.7 billion pesos in net income. Plus, total revenue hit 370 billion pesos, up 8.2%. And they're sitting on 76 billion pesos in cash with a conservative 0.81 times net debt to equity ratio. Analysts have price targets of 754 to 840 pesos versus today's 590. That's serious upside potential. Now, full transparency, what concerns me is the execution risk. We're looking at a 230 billion peso investment in banking, real estate, telecom, and more. That's a lot of moving parts, and any misstep in this massive expansion could hurt returns. They're really affected by the Philippine economy and regulations that can hit profits hard. But here's the thing. AC is perfectly positioned to capture Philippines' economic expansion with their diversified portfolio spanning every growth sector in the country. What do you think? Are you bullish or bearish on Ayala Corporation? Want the complete bull and bear research reports with all the data? Drop a comment below.